Hey everyone, it's me Kirti. Today we are going to paint this flower girl with the help of CrafTangles chalk paint. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me learning the basics of face portraits since some time. I'm pretty much happy with the progress I have made. So this thing was there on my mind to give it a try. That's when I decided that that's how I got this. Some of you might think that CrafTangles chalk paints have blended really well into each other. I have had very good experience in this portrait. Took me 2.5 days to finish, and for that reason I have but shades of colors that I'm using. And another important tip here, now about the brushes I have used here, I have used only about the choice of brush. It is very simple. Flat tip brushes would be used, and again in let us have some blend.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
Let us talk about shading and color blending here. So I have worked in almost 3 layers for each shade of color. Like if I'm working on a red color flower, so I took tomato red as base, then I mixed a little bit. Similarly, for the skin tone as well, I used peach sorbet as a base. On the top of it, I highlighted and blended with ivory lace. This way, by playing in multiple, I have been able to achieve the right to my.
And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
Creating art is truly a thing with tremendous patience, as you might have seen until now. All I have been doing was first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, and that's how slowly, gradually, the portraits start coming to life. When I started doing this, I too wasn't sure how am I going to build this up, how many layers would might be needed. But when I started with it, it just came naturally to me that yes, now this flower is appealing much, and now I can stop with this layer. Or maybe this one needs a little more of highlight. Maybe I should go for white, maybe I should go for orange or whatever color. Even at this moment, I felt that yes, the portrait is ready and I can do the final show. But when I saw it the second time, I thought, no, 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 I just need to do little more. And that's how I kept on going and going with the layers. So after coming at this point where I'm adding the final highlight to the leaves, I felt that yes, now probably it's much appealing to me. But then again, I felt that no, some factor is missing, and so I went for some gloss effect with the help of CrafTangles Unicorn Texture Paste. And when all of that dried off well, I protected my project with CrafTangles varnish, and I'm pretty much happy with the final end result of how it turned out to be. I am truly at that feeling of satisfaction that yes, I wanted to create a face portrait and I have been able to do that. I wish the same contentment for you if you ever give it a try with me with the chalk paints for this portrait. And here is the final and close up look of my portrait. So if you like my work, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram under the name Kirti's Craft Castle. Thank you and bye bye.